गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा चैप्टर है अबाउट इंटरनेट। व्हाट इज इंटरनेट? इंटरनेट इज अ वर्ल्ड वाइड कलेक्शन ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क। इंटरनेट इज अ cooperative effort of many people and organization. They computer on the internet can communicate because they are physically linked and because they share a common language called TCP/IP. Okay. ठीक है। सो प्रोटोकॉल क्या होता है? प्रोटोकॉल इट इज अ फॉर्मल डेफिनेशन ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज दैट टू कंप्यूटर यूज टू कम्युनिकेट। This definition describes acceptable message and outline the rule that two computers must follow to exchange those messages. तो दो कंप्यूटर सिस्टम आपस में कनेक्टेड हैं और वो आपस में क्या कर रहे हैं? मैसेज को आपस में क्या कर रहे हैं? Accept message and exchange those message. Okay, transmission control protocol. Transmission control protocol. It is a major transport protocol in the Internet Protocol suite. It provides reliable communication between two computers in the network. Internet Protocol, अब बात आती है Internet Protocol. Protocol, transmission control protocol and internet protocol. Internet protocol, it is a network protocol in the internet. IP provides a best effort to deliver an IP packet between two network on the internet. जो हमारे आपस दो नेटवर्क हैं, ओके, उनको क्या सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है? What is internet? Internet is a worldwide collection of computer network. Internet is a cooperative effort of many people and organization. They computer on the internet can communicate because they are physically linked and because they share a common language called TCP/IP. Clear? Protocol, transmission control protocol, internet protocol. The internet is the largest computer network in the world, connecting millions of computers. Internet organized in 1969 in the United States of America in support of military research and named it IRPANET. Clear? So इंटरनेट क्या है? एक लार्ज कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क होता है विश्व में जो कनेक्ट मिलियंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर, जो कनेक्ट करता है मिलियंस ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स को आपस में। सो हम एक जगह बैठ के किसी भी कंट्री या पूरे वर्ल्ड ओवर वर्ल्ड में क्या कर सकते हैं? हम कनेक्ट रह सकते हैं। ओके, ठीक है। associated with the internet. URL. टर्म्स में क्या क्या आएंगी? URL, HTML, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, ISP. ओके, इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइड, ये आपके क्या है? टर्म है एसोसिएटेड विद इंटरनेट. ओके, URL, यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर, HTML, हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज, HTTP, हाइपरटेक्स्ट ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल एंड ISP, इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. नेक्स्ट है हमारा बर्थ ऑफ इंटरनेट. Birth of internet. Okay, the internet was born in 1969. कब माना जाता है? 1969. When American military had nightmare about the primary communication center began bombed out by Russia. To prevent such accuracy in ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency, ARPA, okay, Advanced Research Project Agency. कौन क्या हो गई? एडवांस रिसर्च प्रोजेक्ट एजेंसी set up for communication hostess linking them in such a fashion which would ensure that even if one got burned out, communication would route about the affected area and stay alive. This network called ARPA net, okay, quickly grew. The primary service of ARPA net was electronic mail. It was the first time that email actually came into use. In every short time, students began linking their on-campus network into ARPA net using a well-defined protocol TCP/IP. This joining of network was also called internetworking, and soon the entire setup was called internet. In 1973, ARPA net allowed international bodies to the net, and after that there was no looking back. So ये है आपका birth of internet. कब हुआ? 1969. Okay, clear? Protocol, transmission control protocol, internet protocol. Term associated with internet: URL, HTML, HTTP, ISP. URL, uniform resource locator. HTML, hypertext markup language. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. ISP, internet service provider. आगे चले। नेक्स्ट है हमारा ब्राउजिंग tools. Okay, a browser tool. फर्स्ट है एड्रेस बार। एड्रेस बार, browser have an address bar that show the web address URL of the page you are on. To go to a different page, you can type an address in the address bar and then press the enter key. Navigation button. Sometime after you click on a link, you might want to go back to the previous page. You can do this using your browser back button. Once you are press the back button, you can press the forward button to follow the link again. Okay, यानी कि आप backward भी जा सकते हो and forward भी जा सकते हो. नेक्स्ट है हमारा सर्च बार. योर image, IMAGE, what of your, why you are. तो आप यहाँ से लिख लीजिए WITH. Search bar. Most browsers have a built-in search bar for performing web search. Next है bookmark. Bookmark. If you have found a page you would like to go back to later, you can add it to your bookmark, sometimes called favorite. Bookmark make it easy to find a page later on. Instead of having to remember the exact web address, you can just scroll through your bookmark until you see the name of the page. In Internet Explorer, you can add a bookmark by clicking on the favorite and then add a favorite. Okay, next the browsing history. Browsing history. Suppose you visited a page a few days ago but forgot to bookmark it. You can find the page again by using your history, which is a list of websites you are visited. Usually page will stay in the history for a certain number of days. To maintain privacy, you can delete your history to any time. तो browsing history आपने जो भी नेट पर जो भी ऑप्शंस यूज़ किए हैं, जो भी आपने फाइंड किया है, सर्च जो भी कुछ करा है, तो आपकी ब्राउजिंग हिस्ट्री में वो सारी डिटेल्स जो है आपकी शो रहती है. Viewing your history. To view your history in Internet Explorer, click favorite and then click on the history tab. Deleting your history. In Internet Explorer, click on the tool and then internet option. From there you will be able to delete your history or manage your history setting. Okay. internet. Some uses of internet. क्या क्या यूजेस होते हैं इंटरनेट के? लुकिंग फॉर जॉब, लर्निंग अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज, मेकिंग फ्रेंड फ्रॉम एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, send to a friend an electronic birthday card that actually sign happy birthday to you, send to see the latest photograph of your movie star, download some interesting software and try it out, chat with a friend working abroad, see him as you talk. From home you can use internet for following activities: to exchange email with friend and family, to participate in group discussion through public news group or bulletin board, to find educational tools around the world, access library, bookstore, etc. For entertainment, to do shopping, leisure activity, for business. The internet is inavailable. Get technical support for project, distribute software, publish information on any topic, communicate or collaborate on project, market or sell product, access business while at home. These services can be alive around the clock from anywhere in the world. At any given point of time, up-to-date information can be obtained. Clear है uses? Some uses of internet. Okay, class. घर बैठकर चैप्टर को क्या करना है? रीड करना है अच्छे से. ब्राउजर्स, टूल्स, यानी कि आपके अबाउट इंटरनेट क्या होता है, यूजेस कौन कौन से हैं, एडवांटेज इसके कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं. ओके, तो ये सब आपको घर बैठ के क्या करना है, रिकॉल करना. क्लियर? चलिए